Breaking news. Have you done your compatibility assessment test? This is a destiny alert for couples and intended couples. Don't gamble with your marriage and your destiny. Half of marriages that crashes today, it is not because they don't love each other, but there's something that is missing, and that is, are they compatible or not? The compatibility assessment test is a platform for everyone to be able to know if this person that I said I love, are we compatible or not? Compatibility assessment test will change the narrative of what exactly you're going to be looking out for in your marriage. Do you know where you want to get married? They tell you to do genotype tests, to do HIV tests, even your blood group. Compatibility assessment test that will help you to enjoy, to be able to handle your spouse mentally, emotionally, psychologically, that will make you to connect. Nobody talk about that. To learn by information is better. To learn by experience is better. A wedding day is just one day, but marriage is for life. A life partner is a lifelong. Invest in your marriage now and enjoy it later. Divorce, heartbreak, pain, trauma will be avoided because you know what? You are informed. It takes understanding to stand. The best thing to do is for you to settle down and be sure you are compatible. Who are the people that are going to enjoy the benefits of this package? You're courting before you say I do. You are engaged. You are thinking of securing your future together. Or you are married and there are issues going on in your marriage that you've not been able to resolve for a very long time. Your marriage deserves the best. Your children does not have to go through struggles because their foundation is not strong. Don't gamble with your destiny. Take your compatibility assessment now. Send me a DM or a WhatsApp message on +234 80 232 42389. Guess what? The first 50 people that would register and be part of this, I'm going to have 30-minute session with you personally. I've done this for over 40 years. The question is, do you really love each other? Yes. But are you really compatible?